The bustling city of Danang offers its own brand of Vietnamese charm, with a vibrant food and scene, plentiful shopping, and spectacular selfie-worthy sights. Danang is the biggest city in central Vietnam and the fourth largest city in Vietnam. Nearby is Hoi An, a popular tourist town, and Hue, Vietnamese former capital. It is connected to Hue by the Hai Van Pass, a well-known national highway and popular tourist spot. It is a popular city for tourism, both in-country and international, because of its beaches. Its airport, Danang International Airport, used also to be used as airbase to fight against North Vietnam and the Viet Cong during the Vietnam War.
Yes, right seal of Hoi An. And you can see some buffalo around, water buffalo, carabao, right? We have the same national animal. This is carabao. Just of coffee, and we have very, very good quality of coffee. World Leaders Conference in Vietnam, held in Danang and Hoi An from 2017.
The APEC Park is located on the banks of the Han River. In 2017, it was constructed as a cultural work preserving the unique cultural features of the 21 economies of the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation, or APEC. In 2020, the Danang local government decided to expand the park as an effort to expand the trees and green spaces in public parks and residential areas to achieve green and smart city goal by 2030. The brickyard and footpaths comprise about 25% of the area, and the rest is planted with green trees, grass, and statues representing 21 economies of APEC 2017 members in Vietnam. Since its inauguration in January 2022 until now, the APEC site has become an ideal place to organize many cultural, artistic, and other activities in the Hai Châu district.
Beautiful flag of Vietnam.
And it's made from ruby. The right word is man. Ho Chi Minh.
Celebrities used ruby, sapphires, diamonds, and jade to reflect to highlight their elegance and beauty. Jade is so popular in Vietnam because traditionally, older Chinese and Vietnamese women wear jade around their waists to protect and heal their body and to ward off bad spirits. Over time, jade can become deeper in color, and to some, a darker green symbolizes inner strength and good luck. Jade is the most valuable and sought-after type, often characterized by vivid green hues and high translucency. Type A jade is revered for its symbolism of purity, harmony, and protection in various cultures, especially in East Asia, where it holds significant cultural and spiritual importance. To test if jade is real, hold a piece of jade in your hand. It should feel cold, smooth, and soft-like to touch. It should take a while to get warm if it is real.
From the rose gold like this, we can have some sample of jade here. Yeah, here's the jade sample. This part here, this part is jade. This part. And the jade is gonna create inside the stone. And it takes really long time, maybe 1,000 years or more. Yeah. And a lot of people, they try to find the raw stone and sell for some small factory. If it's full of jade, they're gonna be super rich. But sometimes it has a lot of crack inside, so they're gonna lose everything. Yeah. So from this one, we can make some products like ring earring, necklace, and pendant. And especially if it's big enough, we can make the bangle like this. And then this time,
Enjoy a timeless elegance of jade bangle as a constant companion in your daily life. Other simple ways of maintaining Vietnamese culture include examples such as women wearing a simple jade bracelet on the left wrist for good luck. Hoi An Ancient Town has retained its traditional wooden architecture and townscape in terms of plot size, materials, facade of roofline. Its original street plan with buildings backing onto the river with its infrastructure of quays, canals, and bridges in its original setting also remains. By the Tho Bon River, Hoi An is the best preserved trading town in Southeast Asia. The Japanese covered bridge, built between the late 16th and early 17th centuries, was funded by Japanese merchants and constructed by Vietnamese carpenters of Hoi An. When the Japanese left, Chinese merchants took over the care of the Japanese bridge and added a small temple at the back. This unique structure, which combines the bridge and the temple, has become a famous attraction in the city. The bridge stretches over a small waterway, serving both as a pathway for travelers and a place of worship. It is about 18 meters long and stands around 4 meters tall from the ground to the roof. The entire structure is supported by a strong stone pillar. The roof itself is made of traditional tiles and the decorative details are crafted from porcelain. The columns and beams are made up of wood. At each end of the bridge are statues of a pair of dogs and a pair of monkeys. The exact purpose of these statues is not entirely clear. Some believe they represent the years that the bridge was started and completed. According to the Vietnamese lunar calendar, where the dog and the monkeys are zodiac animals. Others suggest these animals have spiritual significance in Japanese culture. The stone tablet with Chinese characters chronicles all the times that the bridge has been repaired over the years. The peaceful surroundings make you feel like you step back in time. Added by the Chinese when they took over the bridge are three Chinese characters, which is actually the name of the bridge. Basically, it means the bridge welcomes travelers from afar. The two round wooden blocks beneath the plaque are common in many houses in Hoi An. Local calls them door eyes, and are meant to welcome guests while keeping evil spirits away. Inside the temple, you will find an altar dedicated to the statue of the Northern God, a deity in Taoism associated with happiness, wealth, and health. During full moon and Vietnamese New Year, locals come here to offer incense, showing the respect and devotion while asking for protection and blessings. The Japanese covered bridge is a beautiful representation of three cultures: Japanese, Chinese, and Vietnamese.